Are you looking for awesome hidden tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5? Well, in this video, we're going to show you 5 hidden tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, which nobody has ever told you about. So, without any further delay, let us get down to business. Our first hidden tip and trick for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the fact that for certain applications, you can change the language and it can be different from what is set for your device. So here it is, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The language I have set is English. However, if I open the Chrome application, you will notice that the language here is set as Hindi. So how did I do this? Well, you have to go into settings, general management. Herein you will see something called app languages, and all the applications which support app languages selection are visible over here, and you will notice they're mostly Google apps for now. But if I go into Chrome, here it is, I have set the language as Hindi. Similarly, if I go into YouTube, I can either use system default or I can select from a bunch of different options which are available to me. Do you kind of miss a notification light on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5? Well, we have a little solution. Let us go into settings, accessibility, advanced settings. Herein you see flash notification. Bam, here it is, camera flash notification. If I tap on that option, for starters, I have a master toggle on top, but then I also have the option of enabling or disabling camera flash notification for specific applications, and it is going to flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. Of course, for the screen to flash, you have to enable screen flash notification. Our third hidden tip and trick for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the fact that you can have live captions for YouTube videos even if the video does not have subtitles. So how do you enable this feature? Well, all you have to do is you will go into settings, then you will go into accessibility. Herein you will go into hearing enhancements, and bam, this is the option for live caption. Now unfortunately it only supports the language English as of now, but the good feature is that you can also enable live captions for your phone calls as well. Next up, did you know that if you press the power button or the side button 5 times, you could actually place an emergency call in case you are in trouble or you need help from the law enforcement? Well, here it is. I press it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bam, emergency SOS. I can, of course, cancel it, but if I do not cancel it within 10 seconds, it is going to place a emergency phone call. So, how do you enable this feature? Well, all you have to do is go into settings, safety and emergency SOS. Here it is, enable this toggle, tap on countdown, and you can also change the timer. I have set it as 10 seconds. You can choose 5 seconds as well, and of course you can choose your emergency number to call and also play a warning sound when it is trying to place the call and the countdown is going on. For our last hidden tip and trick for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, have you ever been in a situation wherein you put your phone on mute and then you forget about it and you end up missing some important phone calls or messages? Well, if you go into settings, and once we are in settings, we can go into sound and vibration, select mute. The Z Flip 5 will give you an option of temporary mute. Once you enable this toggle, you can choose for how long you want to mute your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. It can be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, or a custom time. And once 1 hour has expired, then my phone will no longer be in mute mode, which I think is a pretty awesome feature. And there it is, peeps. Those were 5 awesome hidden tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. And of course, if you have your own hidden tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, please mention them in the comments on this video.